Mustang coupe.
So it's a clean Mustang. He's never heard of MustangMedic before, so I'm kind of a foreign entity to him. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad when you're looking for a car. And the speaker system, and here's a shaker speaker system. We did some checking on that, and that is a very nice stereo system. This car probably rocks. But I'm not going to have the stereo system on because I am going to want to hear those tires touching. And he is going to have to do a deal with me that I would be surprised if he does it. If he does it, MustangMedic props. All right, here we go. Didn't buy the car. Negotiated with the, you know, when you go to a dealership, there's a guy that makes the decisions, and then there's a sales guy. And you test drive the car, they sit you down at a table, and they talk to you, which I appreciate. He did come out.
Anybody there?
Kind of late, but yeah, no, he's there.
No, I see numbers behind me.
Oh, what were you asking me?
If anybody was here.
In front of you?
Yeah.
You're making me nervous.
I couldn't see.
Well,
By the truck.
you're driving. Never mind.
Is anybody in that lane? So
Nope.
I could do this.
You're in. You're in the lane. You're good. It's been very exciting driving with Mark today. That's all I'll say about that, so he doesn't get in trouble. Didn't buy the car. I kind of lowballed him, but it probably is what they paid for the car, and they're not going to just pass it through to me. Nor do they see MustangMedic as a promotion opportunity, which of course I do. I always do. It's my advertising background. Plus, I promote everybody. But they did bring out the negotiator. He came out and sat with me. He basically told me that, well, I'll just leave it at that because I don't want to, you know, I'm not negative about anybody on these videos. So the car's available, and I put the salesman's name and phone number in the description field if you're interested. They're asking online, they're asking almost $14,000. And at the dealership, they're asking, what, $17,000? Yeah, they're asking 17 at the dealership, but if you catch it online, they're asking 14. I got my own opinion about that too, but I'm gonna let that go. It's a nice car. It's tight. I just don't like the rims and tires because I gotta add $2,000 to the cost of the car because I would have to change them. It would drive me crazy driving a car knowing it's on. I did that when I was 17 years old with my Falcon because I put rims on that were too wide. I ain't doing it again, if you know what I mean. I'm 54, I've learned something. Thanks for watching. A lot of talking in this video. I apologize for that, went a little long, but know that you're appreciated. And there it is, we're sharing it again. The search for the Mustang continues. I don't see it happening with the Classic Auto Mall, not happening. So if you guys are out there buying cars on auction, and you want to show some MustangMedics some love, and you get some super deal for me, I'd be grateful. Thanks for watching. You want to say thanks for watching?
I want to listen to Bad Company. What the hell? Did you ruin my stereo?
It's the copyright thing, man. All right, bye.